All right, I'm going to show you how you can send a text message to multiple recipients without creating a group chat on your Android phone. And to do this, we need to change a couple of settings in the Messages app. First, go to Messages, and on the main page where you see all your conversations, tap your profile picture in the top right. Scroll down to Messages Settings, and from there, go all the way down to Advanced. At the top of the Advanced settings, you'll see Group Messaging. And within that Group Messaging menu, you'll want to change this from Group MMS to Send as Individual Messages, or Mass Text, depending on your phone's wording. After that, there's one more setting to check, RCS Chats, which you'll find on the very top of your Messages settings. We already enabled the Mass Text option, which allows sending to multiple recipients without creating a group chat. But we also need to temporarily disable RCS Chats, because RCS will actually override the setting we just changed and still create a group chat if you send to multiple people at once. Now, some features tied to RCS are things like read receipts, typing indicators, and high-quality media sharing. So you may want to come back and turn RCS back on after you've sent your mass text. Now that RCS is off and mass text is enabled, we can send that mass text. I'll start a new message and then tap the Create a Group button. It's confusing, I know, but trust me, this will not send a group text. Then we'll add the recipients. I'm just going to add 2, but you can do more if needed. Once everyone's added, I'll tap Next. We'll skip naming the group since this isn't actually a group chat, and then we can compose our message here. So, how does this work after we send the message? On my phone, it shows up looking like a group here initially, but your recipients will all see it as an individual text message from you, and they won't see any of the other people that were included as recipients. If one of these recipients writes back to me, let's say Ryan, for example, writes back, you'll see that goes into its own separate conversation like this. I already had an existing conversation with Ryan, which is why you see older messages here. But there's my new message, hello, and his reply, hi, what's up, now sitting in that separate thread with no one else involved. So that is how you send a message to multiple recipients without putting them all in the same conversation. On your end, you'll see that initial message looking like a group chat, but any replies from recipients will land in their own individual conversations. And like I said, these recipients will never see each other or know who else was included in that original group message. Click that like button if this helped and subscribe for more easy guides like this one. Thanks all.